Hey everyone, Chrissy Etheridge here, the Oilist. So we're going to talk about balance. Balance is doTERRA's grounding blend, very relaxing, very soothing. So within this blend, it's just like this instant, just soothing, relaxing. I can feel just this very interesting tingle that happens kind of in my core. But it's got spruce, hoe wood, frankincense, blue tansy, and blue chamomile. Now, when we think about the essential oils and what they do on an emotional level for us, when you think about any essential oil that has a tree in it, or that comes from a tree. What I want you to think of is just how that tree roots and goes deep into the ground, into the earth. And that's really where a lot of our trees are for us in terms of an emotional standpoint, is that they provide this deep grounding, rooting feeling. And so if we are feeling very scattered, very flighty, very anxious, then you can get a lot of benefit from using any tree oil when it comes to an emotional benefit. And so balance is perfect for that because we have 3 different woods in this blend. So hopefully that makes sense about why it helps. Now in terms of flowers, because we've got 2 flowers in this blend as well, flowers are very, very calming and relaxing as well. So it makes perfect sense that these 5 essential oils within this blend can help so much on an emotional level, really calming and relaxing. So we're going to use this blend and in an emotional grounding opportunity. So maybe we just inhale 1 to 2 drops in our hand, from our cup hand, or we apply it to our feet, the bottoms of our feet on a daily basis. Right when you wake up in the morning, have your balance sitting right there at your bedside, and go ahead and go through that ritual where you're putting a couple drops on your hands, you're taking some nice, slow, steady, deep breaths, you're rubbing it on the bottom of your feet, and you're really setting your intentions for the day. What do you want to accomplish? What do you want your day to look like? If you understand the power of affirmations, you will add a few into those experiences. So you really are saying some kind, encouraging words to yourself in the morning when you get started. Now, certainly, if you need some help throughout the day, balance is also great for focus and concentration. I know that I work in several different busy emergency rooms in Las Vegas, and when I feel just very scattered, maybe I'm not accomplishing my tasks and things are just not working in a good steady flow, if I take a couple of drops of balance and I just have that moment of pause. And it's really important during your day to really pick those opportunities. You can have such a powerful opportunity with essential oils when it comes to really finding that center again, finding that balance again, so you can become more effective. When we work, we really become less and less effective throughout the day. I don't know if you've noticed that, but I certainly find that if I stop and take just a moment of break, whether or not it's to go get something to eat, or whether or not it's just to walk away and get away from the chaos, or use some essential oils to help really relax me, I come back so much more effective than I was before I stopped and took the break. So certainly, if you need help in terms of focus and concentration, this oil is great for stress and relaxation as well. So if you're feeling just those feelings of anxiousness, you can diffuse it or apply it to your hand again and just have that moment. Certainly, if you would like to go to a different level with your meditation or your prayer, using balance can help also provide that opportunity to where you connect better into those practices. So it's very earthy. It's got this very earthy characteristic to it that really helps bring that scattered energy and emotions into this state of stability and consistency and safety. I absolutely love this blend. It's a great addition to your collection. You can use it with other essential oils like lavender to help not only calm yourself down, but calm your kiddos down, especially before bed. It's a great addition to your collection. I hope that you're subscribed to the Oilist. If you haven't yet, please click that button right now so you can get notifications when I download any additional videos. And if you have found value in this video, please share this with your friends and family that also need this information. In the comments below is a website, theoilist.com, that you can go to get more essential oil education. There's a ton of free essential oil education on there. And you can discover how to get these essential oils into your home as well. You all have a blessed day. Happy oiling.